Building your own trading platform sounds great, but here's the truth. It's not easy. It's like building a bank, an app, and a fintech company. But I will explain it simply. First, choose your model, because not all trading platforms are the same. There are three main types. Option 1, full trading platform like Robinhood or eToro. Users can buy and sell assets. You make money from fees or spreads. But this is the hardest option. Option 2, white label platform. This is the smartest way to start. You use ready-made software and launch under your own brand. Providers like B2Broker or Leverade offer this. Option 3, trading tools only. No real trading, just charts, data, and AI signals like TradingView. This is the easiest way to start. If you want real trading, you need licenses. In Europe, regulators like European Securities and Markets Authority control this. In US, rules are even stricter with Securities and Exchange Commission. You must follow KYC and AML. KYC means know your customer. This means platforms must verify users' identities using documents like passport or ID cards. AML means anti-money laundering. These rules help stop illegal money and financial crimes. This is one of the biggest challenges for trading platforms. You also need technology, a system to process trades, an app for user, and real-time market data. How do you make money? Fees, spreads, subscription, or premium AI tools. Here's the smartest path. Build an audience, create a simple tool, connect to an exchange, then scale into a real platform. Subscribe for simple trading guides. Thank you for watching.